I, Professor Mohammed Lamin Umele, hereby certify that I am the returning officer for the 2023 Adamawa State Governorship election held on the 15th day of April 2023. The election was contested. The candidates received the following votes.
Please just tilt and see your table.
Tahir Hussaini, AA, 643. Usman Mohammed Shiwa, ADC, 3024. 3024. Babangida Umaru, ADP, 2174. 2174. Tahiru Ahmed Aishatu, APC, 396,788. 396,788. Sholia Haya Abga, 892. 892. Babajo Bello, APM, 606. 606. Adam Abdulkadir Isa, APP, 286. 286. Mustafa Omar Madawaki, LP, 2732. 2732. Muhammad Shibadu Saad Tahir, NNPP, 4852. 4852. Abba Maina Aliyu, NRM, 1272. 1272. Umaru Ahmadu Fintiri, PDP, 430,861. 40861. Baba Inna Ibrahim, PRP, 1188. 1188. Ardo Umar, SDP, 6,870. 6870. Maigana Ismaila Musa, YPP, 1,431. 1431. Dado Amrod, ZLP, 200. 200. That Umaru Ahmadu Fintiri of PDP, having satisfied the requirement of the law, is hereby declared the winner and returned elected.